loves, and welcome back to my channel. My name's Angelique if you are new here, and today we are going to be doing our first speed through cleaning. I've done a few cleaning videos, but I talk you through it. But today I just want to get cleaning and get it done. I have so much to clean around the house, so I thought I would just bring you along with me and give you guys some cleaning motivation. And yeah, you guys can see how I just clean, sped up. Let's go ahead and get started because this house is messy.
I'll try this a new way. I'm gonna show you the tricks that I know. I'm getting tired of talking, and I need more of a show right now. It's time that you made your mind up, 'cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. 'Cause now is the right time, and I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. It's a fun night. You got me on tonight, 'cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high. I won't be turning around. No, I won't be turning around. It's the right time. You feeling alright? I'm playing your game like I will win tonight. I think I'll do it on my way. I'm gonna show you what I'm going through. Get you out of your comfort zone, 'cause I need more of the truth right now. It's time that you made your mind up, 'cause lately all it ever does is change. Feels like we're only talking, going round and around, back around. I will fight like no other every day. I won't stop like the others. I will stay. 'Cause now is the right time, and I'm feeling alright. I'm playing your game like I know I can win right now. It's a fun night. You got me on tonight, 'cause loving you is like I'm walking a tightrope so high. I won't be turning around. No, I won't be turning around. It's the right time. You feeling alright? I'm playing your game like I will win tonight. Don't forget it. Don't forget it. Don't forget it. We'll turn this around. Don't forget it. Lying next to you, feeling something brand new. And I haven't seen you in years, but I know you. Oh, I really missed you. Before when I met you, I never saw. No, I never saw the way that you look now is all I know. Yeah, it's all I know. So forget about the past. You and I could be lasting. This time we could be lasting. This time we could be lasting. Counting every star that I found in your eyes, and I haven't seen them in years, but I know them. Oh, I'm really drowning. Before when I met you, I never saw. No, I never saw the way that you look now is all I know. Yeah, it's all I know. So forget about the past. You and I could be lasting. This time we could be lasting. This time we could be lasting.
Okay. Can you say that was exhausting? Yeah, it's exhausting, Mom, huh? Well, loves, there you have it. That was my first like speed through cleaning. I just wanted to show you guys my cleaning routine and like what I do when no one's watching me clean or me trying to explain me cleaning. So I hope this is fun and motivated you to clean as well. I absolutely love cleaning. It's very therapeutic for me. So again, I hope you guys liked it. If you did, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. I talk about fashion, beauty, and life in Hawaii, which is like cleaning and home and all that fun jazz. So that is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.